Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and this is the Asus Chromebook tablet CT100, which is the first complete slate-style tablet from Asus. It's pretty similar to the version that Acer put out in 2018, but it's new for Asus, and similarly, it has a 9.7-inch 2048 by 1536 pixel display, touchscreen display, sort of this touch-optimized version of Google's Chrome operating system, and it also has a stylus, which slides out and allows you to sort of write, capture region of the screen, capture screen, create notes, etc., using this pressure-sensitive input. Slides into the base when you're not using it, and overall, it's a fairly compact, fairly lightweight machine. It's got a Rockchip 3399 processor, or an OP1 processor. They're basically the same chip that's designed specifically for Chromebooks when it's called the OP1, but it's otherwise pretty much the same processor. It has Google Play support, and it should support Linux and other software as well, I believe. And again, it's got the version of Chrome that has this sort of more Android-like, more sort of touch-friendly-like user interface. It's designed for education, although I don't see why you might not want to use it for other other purposes. But it doesn't come with a keyboard. That's something that you would have to pair it with your own sort of optional Bluetooth keyboard if you wanted to do something like that. On the back, we've got this sort of ruggedized material. And the idea is that it can withstand a little bit of a beating that it might take in a classroom-type setting. USB Type-C port here for charging, micro SD card slot, power and volume buttons. I don't know how well you can see those in the video here. And that's pretty much it, I believe. Now, we've also got a headset jack, and that's pretty much it for your ports. So that's just a quick look. You can find more details about the specifications and other features and other details about other products that Asus and other companies are releasing at the Consumer Electronics Show at Liliputing.com. This model should be available soon, has up to 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and it's fairly lightweight, weighing maybe a little over a pound, or 1.1, 1.2 pounds, I think. So that's the Asus Chromebook tablet CT100. This is Brad Linder from Liliputing.com.